Hey, it's Sam, and today we're going to be learning how to make charcloth. So this is charcloth. What can charcloth be used for? Charcloth can be used to catch a spark from something like flint and steel or your steel and ferro rod. So we're going to be learning how to turn this into this. We're going to start off with regular Altoids tin or anything else like that. Put some cotton balls in it, or you can also put some linen or cotton sheets in it, but you want the natural fibers, the linen or the cotton, things like that, not things like nylon or polyester or silk. All the silk is natural, but you want these easily burnable materials. You put it in the tin, and let's go over to the campfire. Okay, we're over here at the campfire, and we got our tin with cotton in it. And we're ready to turn this into charcloth. So how are we going to do that? Well, we basically got to put it in the fire. If you have a grill, you can put it on the grill. Obviously, it gets done slower, but it's much easier to take off. Or you can just put it directly onto the fire. And I think I'm going to try the latter, because last time I put it on the grill, and I'm feeling a little bit more adventurous today. So I think I'm just going to put it by the coals. And then when it's done, I'll get it out with a stick or tongs or something. Okay, so here we go. There it is, and we'll just wait. So while we're waiting, let's think about what's going on here. We're turning our cotton or linen into this majestic charcloth cloth. So how come this isn't just going into flames and disappearing, being burnt away? That is because we have cut off the oxygen by putting it in this tin. So it gets charred, but we still have the cloth left. And then we can throw a spark onto it, and it will create an ember that we can use to start a fire. It looks like the cloth inside of the can is burning. There's flames coming off of the can, but that's actually just the paint of the can burning off. That's not the cloth inside burning. It looks like it's done now. So now I'm gonna take it out and let it cool. Alright, I've taken the tin out. Time to open it. See how it's been left. As you can see, a lot of the cotton balls are gone. So I may have overcooked it a little bit. But what you're looking for here is black. You want the pure black. You don't want a brown or anything. Pure black is the best. It's fully charred. That's how it's gonna turn into an ember the easiest. I've made charcloth before, some charcloth. The first time I made it, it was really good. It was this one over here that I showed you. But the second time, part of it was still white. I really needed to make it for longer. So this, even though I may have overcooked it a little bit and it lost a lot of mass, this is still a lot better for starting a fire. For reference, here is the charcloth that I was talking about before that was not as well made. So here you can see this is much darker than this. There's still some white brown parts. And even this, the darkest part, it's just not comparable. It's still brown. You can see when you compare it. So in most cases, better overcooked than undercooked. Directly on the coals. Don't wait this long. Okay, so here I am with a little bit of charcloth and my flint steel. This is real steel, and this is not actually flint. It's quartz, but it serves a pretty much the same purpose. It's not a ferro rod. It is real steel. So I'm gonna try to see if I can turn this charcloth into an ember, which is what you're supposed to do. I've tried before and have never achieved it. But here I am trying again. Okay. I got it. So as you can see now, the charcloth is burning, as in ember forms, and this can be turned into a fire by lighting a flammable material like cotton, not charred cotton. So that is the first time I ever liked charcloth, and it's for this demonstration. Thanks for watching, and this is the power of charcloth.